Good morning, guys. This is me waking up at 7:15, getting ready for the day. Say hello to Ruru. He's not very happy because his dad's still in. Big wings. Then it's downstairs to feed the dogs. As you can tell, Aria is more than excited to be fed. Kettle is on, ready for a cup of tea. Rocky's bowl. That's all the dogs having their breakfast. Now it's time for my cup of tea, whilst the dogs are chilling. Jasper wanting some attention. Tobias came in because he knows it's also his breakfast time, so he's getting a quick cuddle. Tobias and Salem and Delta all know it is breakfast time, so feed these two lads first. Then in to feed Shadow and Delta. Shadow never lets me put the packet in first. Delta's food's there. That's them having their breakfast. Then to open up the large bird room. So I say good morning to everyone. Open the curtains. Put the radio on. Dora wants to come out to play. There you go. And say good morning to Pugsley and Sally. Now it's time to empty the bowls, ready for their breakfast. Same again with Sally. Get her food bowl and empty it. Give these a quick scrub because they are very, very dirty, as we all know with African greys. Put some pasta on, ready for their dinner tonight. Also doing some egg, so they'll be having pasta, egg and veg for tonight's tea. There's everyone tucking in to their breakfast. Then upstairs into the small bird room. Again, do the same thing. Open the blind. Say good morning and put the radio on for him. Let Budgie Boy out. There we go. He's out for the day. Whilst I'm in here, I'll change his food and I'll do his water as well. Pasta's cooked, now time to boil the eggs. say bye to Rob at work. He's going to work. Start brushing my teeth. Then in to start cleaning. Always baby wipe the cages down and the bottoms. Then add fresh newspaper. Wipe the cages down. Pugsley absolutely hates this. But it has got to be done. Then once all the cages are done, we start hoovering, getting all the big bits up, ready for mopping. Then we do the hallway as well. Tobias loves watching me hoover for some strange reason. Then on with the mopping. Making sure it is clean and tidy, ready for any customers that might be coming today. And this is done every day. That is the bird room downstairs, clean and tidy. Then onto the hallway, because as we have a lot of animals, it gets very, very mucky. So again, any customers come in, we have to make sure it smells clean and looks clean. That's the hallway done. Time for a cup of tea, quick break. Have a 10-minute break. And then we will go upstairs and do the exact same thing upstairs. So do the cages, clean them down, clean the room. So again, upstairs we clean the bottom of the cages, put fresh newspaper in, so it looks clean and tidy, ready for the birds or any customers come in. Then we hoover. I really like this part because the little bits it's just really satisfying. I love it. Strange, but yeah. Then we do the inside of any empty cages. So clean all the bars down, clean the bottoms down. Then onto the hallway where we hoover. Again, Salem likes watching me hoover for some strange reason. Don't know why. Then we mop the bird room and the hallway. Again, so it looks clean and tidy, ready for anyone come in. And that is a small bird room, clean and tidy. Then onto our bedroom. Rue is the messiest macaw I've ever known. So we give that a good hoover. Get all the big bits up. You can tell that's his favourite eating spot. And then he always loves to have a shower when I'm hoovering. Can anyone else relate? Then we put his tray in the bath, ready to be cleaned. And that is him all done. For about 5 seconds. Then we took the dogs for a walk. And they absolutely loved it. They got covered in mud. They were playing. Jasper clearly has tried to find something there. Then we came back, feed the cats. Then on to cleaning the kitchen. Dogs are chilled. All asleep. Start spraying the surfaces down. Then wipe the surfaces and then we hoover. And again, mop. This stays clean for about 5 seconds because we have 3 dogs. But it does look clean for now. So that's all that matters. Then we spent a bit of time with Dora. She loves attention. So we gave her a little bit of attention. With a crazy head bobbing. Then we went to see Louise and her gang. So here's Pico loving the attention of Louise. And then her other 2 cockatiels. And Coco loving an apple. He was in a bitey mood today. Then we came back and started feeding the dogs. So there's Aria's food. There's Jasper's food. And there's Rocky's food. They all get fed separately to avoid any arguments. Then we did the birds' dinner. So there's the egg getting mixed in with the veg and pasta. Then more cleaning. because the dogs were that muddy. Then we attempted to get Dora away and she was having none of it. Nope. She's like, nope. Finally got her away, and then it was Pugsley's turn to come out. She always likes to nip and mouth me before she comes out. That's just her little routine. But she'll be out for an hour to stretch her wings. Clean the waters because they've got this morning's breakfast in it and it's just disgusting. Then Salem wanted some attention. He's a loving cat. Then came upstairs to give Ruru some attention, giving me big wings. And because his dad's not here, he is being all loving. I like it when he's like this. Then it's time to clean our bedroom, put all these clothes away. Voila, it is done. Pugsley wanting some attention off me, but she would not want to get off me. So Pugsley's finally got off me, and here she is eating a walnut, which is her absolute favourite. Back upstairs to chill with Roo for a bit. He's preening himself. And then he decides to come on the bed, which I am very grateful for because this was his choice and not mine. Look how sexy he is. He loves me when his dad's not in. So he's having a couple of scratches. Loving. And he's like, nope, I'm done. Go and see what's over the other side of the bed. Nothing. Okay. Then we put the oven on for our tea. And then it is the bird's tea. So start off with Dora. Fill her bowl. And then we've done everyone else's. She was the last one to do. And here they are. All munching away. Dora is a little bit funny with food. So here she is just going down to see what we've given her. And she does actually eat some, which I'm really proud of her for doing. That's our tea ready. Going to be ready, should I say. Then it is bedtime. So say night to all the birds. Turn the radio off. And then start closing the curtains. Remember, guys, this is literally snippets of the day. Every day is different. Some days we've got training, some days we've got more birds in, some days we've got less birds in. Every day is different. This is just a snippet of today. So please bear that in mind. But the cage cleaning and everything is still the same. So that's it. Night, guys. See you tomorrow. Then upstairs, do the same thing. If anybody does have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. Budgie Boy did take himself in, which I was really pleased for, because sometimes it can be awkward to go back in. So that was really good. Closing the blinds. Forgot to turn the radio off, so I'm turning the radio off. And that is a full day with us. Hope you've enjoyed it, guys. Like I said, any questions, please feel free to comment.